A gorgeous Saturday afternoon. We got all the way up into the 70s this afternoon, cooling off a bit back to 70 degrees. Clouds all day long, so it's not going to be pretty out there. But the good news is the luck of the Irish has brought us a beautiful rest of the week. Right along Highway 82, that's where the bulk of this rainfall, also Highway 45 up towards Tupelo, you get drier the further north you go. I'll have whether or not that trend is going to continue and if we have another cold burst in our forecast coming up. You're going to see that wind pick up and you're going to need a jacket because it's going to get cold quick. 73 degrees though. It'll be warm and sunny before those clouds roll in and then rainy as we go throughout the evening hours. Panama City, the hot spot at 61, but that's still pretty darn cold. So if you end up jumping in the ocean, it's not going to be as pleasant as you would have liked. We are at 34 degrees is our current temperature. A little bit on the chilly side, but definitely nothing compared to the single digits we saw earlier today. The 70-degree mark for a high tomorrow. I'll have what you can expect for this weekend, whether or not there's a chance for rain coming up. So happy St. Patrick's Day. If you're not already wearing something green, go ahead and throw on a jacket. You'll need one. It's a little chilly out there, but not a rain jacket. Most of the rain is gone, pushed off to our east. The sun has begun to set on what was a beautiful day across northern Mississippi. Felt exactly like springtime, plenty of sunshine as well as warmer temperatures. We are currently at 68 degrees, but we got well into the 70s today for a high. It was absolutely perfect out there. I hope you got out and enjoyed it because unfortunately we do have another cold front headed our way within the next 24 hours. We have a very large storm system currently working its way across the western part of the United States. This was dropping rain in Southern California just 24 hours ago. Lots of rain. In fact, they're having landslides and lots of issues out there because of this storm system, but it will continue to work its way east, bringing us the rain by Sunday night. Now, let me time this out for you. This is Sunday at 5 p.m. Notice a very large band of rain, sleet, and snow all the way from Dallas up towards Chicago and Nashville. This is a very large storm system. Luckily, though, we will only see this rain band working its way through in the later part of Sunday and into Monday morning. Notice, though, to the north, they are going to see some sleet and freezing rain. This is because they're going to get very cold very fast, but luckily, before we drop into the freezing temperature range, we are going to be well clear of all this rain. So just some rain on Sunday night that could be heavy at times. Let's look at just how much rain you can expect. Notice this is our rainfall predictor, and watch as this band of rain works its way south and east across much of northern Mississippi. Here is the thing though, to our north and west, they're going to see a lot more rain. Coffeyville, 2 inches, 1.9 inches in Pontotoc, 1.4 in Tupelo, but to the south, that's where we're going to see a little bit less. The storm's going to weaken by the time it truly passes through Ackerman and Starkville, and that's why they're only seeing 3/4 of an inch in rain. That is a substantial difference, which is good news if you're headed to work in the southern part of our viewing area. Not too much to worry about, but in the north, flash flooding is definitely a possibility as this rain will be coming down quite fast during the early hours of Monday morning. Now, no rain tonight, of course. We're just going to see a little bit chilly temperatures, 42 as your low for tonight. And then the next 2 days, that's when the real event is going to happen. 73 to start off the day on Sunday, and I expect some sunny skies in the morning, and then that cold front will work its way through, bringing with it the rain and the chillier temperatures. Notice 41 degrees on Monday. That's going to be a lot cooler than this weekend, but luckily the rain should end early Monday morning, leaving us with partly cloudy skies. And then we're going to see warming trend throughout the rest of the week into the mid-50s by later parts of next week, and even 60 by Friday. There should be some sunshine, but I can't rule out a shower later on in the week. Of course, we'll keep an eye on that and the storm coming tomorrow. That's your 7-day forecast. I'm meteorologist Kayla Campbell.